Hello, my name is Maria Mora. In this video, we are going to explore the different digital tools on Nearpod, and we are going to start by creating an account and looking into the different lessons that are available in Nearpod that you can use in your classes. So I'm going to type in Nearpod in Google, and I'm going to go to the website. So as you can see, I'm already logged in. When you are not logged in, you will see the page that looks like this. So you want to create an account. You can do that by signing up for free, which there are a lot of different free features. Here's the feature for teachers, sign up for free or log in. So I'm just going to log in since I already have an account. Remember that if you want to have access to more features, our district has purchased the subscription to be able to have virtual reality trips available within Nearpod. So if that's a feature you're interested in, which was one big feature that was shown in the survey, you need to email our administrator and let them know that you want to sign up and have access to virtual reality trips so that you can make an account with our school. If that is not something you're interested in right now and you just want to explore, you can create your account. So I'm going to just log in. If you forgot your password, you click on forgot your password. So this is what it looks like. You probably will not have anything unless you've already played with it a little bit and you have a few lessons that you've integrated already. So I just want to show you when you go in Nearpod and you click on Nearpod library, there's thousands of lessons already available that you can choose from that are integrated within our subject. One of the things that I really like is that if you go here on the left hand side, it has standards. If you click on the drop down arrow, there are standards for different states. We are in Georgia, so I'm going to select Georgia. And I'm going to click on math since we're focusing in math. And notice all the different lessons that come up for math that have Georgia standards integrated in them. So there's many lessons, but obviously you want to be specific depending on the lesson that you are looking for. I really like that just by looking at the lesson, you're able to tell what grades the lesson is more appropriate for, and it has a title where you know what the lesson is about. So let's say that I want to look for a lesson for our grade level, which would be at the high school. So you can click on one of these, like let's say you're interested in functions, and it provides you with a preview of the lesson. Notice on the right hand side, it has the standards that this lesson is associated with. So when you click on preview, you'll be able to see that it has a quiz. That's the very first thing. You click on the right, it has a solution, and you can just kind of peruse through the lesson and see if it's a lesson that you're interested in getting for your class. So let's say another thing that I like about this is that you can also check to see what kind of lesson it is. So for example, if you look on this one that talks about union, intersection, and complement, it has the Nearpod virtual reality. So it tells you that that's a virtual reality lesson. And I'm going to show you what that looks like. We are going to create one ourselves, but this is just more of like a preview if you want to explore and look at lessons that are already in there. And it might be that you really like a lesson that's in there and you just want to edit it. So I'm just going through the lessons. And see, this one has a drawing feature here where students could type in their responses, or they can use the pencil. And since we have touchscreen devices, they can use a stylus or their finger to annotate over that. So here's an example of a virtual tour. Let's see if it previews it here. Okay, so this is what a virtual reality trip looks like. Notice how I'm just using my finger and using the touchscreen feature in my computer, and I'm able to move around and see different things. This is one of the features our students like the most, and they get really excited because they can travel to different places around the world that they would normally not have the opportunity to visit or may have not visited. It might even be places that they've been to, and you just want to take them to different places and explore different mathematical problems. So if that's a lesson you like, all you would have to do is add it to your library, like I'm doing now. And it says it's successfully been added. So if I go on Nearpod on the top left and click there, you will see that the lesson is there. Another really good feature about this, now that we are another really good feature is that you can have option to do student paced or live participation. So live participation means you're in the classroom, you're using the lesson yourself, and you're managing how fast or slow you want to pace through each slide. If it's student paced, the students control how fast they want to go through the slides and answer the questions. So it could be something you still want to do in class and kind of work with the students that are having more trouble, or it could be that you assign it for homework and then you can still see the results. If you click on edit, I'm going to ask it to duplicate the lesson because you want a copy for yourself. And let's say these are all the different slides that were embedded. So let's say there's something in here you don't like or you want to edit. All you have to do is click on it. And let's see. Let's see. So you can delete it, or you can even preview it from here. On the bottom it has the preview, or you can just save it. Let's see. So I double clicked on this one, and you'll see that it brings up that slide, and you can edit and do different things to it. You can also move around to a different slide and just manipulate it the way you want it to look. So I'm going to hit on cancel. Discard changes. And let's say that I want to edit this. I'm going to double click. And notice how you can actually change the question in here if there's something you don't like. You can also upload a background image. But it is just it has a lot of different features. Once you've downloaded a lesson, you can work from that lesson and kind of make it your own, add or delete different things that you don't like. So this is the first part of the Nearpod lesson. Let me know if you have any questions. You have my email, and I will be sending out another tutorial video on how to create your own lesson.